Hi, this is Renugadevi. I am working as an assistant professor in Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. I belong to Business Administration Department. Today we are going to see about the set off and carry forward of losses in direct tax. In this video, we are going to start the set off losses concept. Actually, under the direct tax, if any individual person they earn some income, suppose they might be facing some losses in any category, at that time how they have to compensate their losses. So that only we have to see in this video. So the set of losses is nothing but they are adjusting the losses of one source of income against the income of another source in the same financial year. That is called the set of losses. So suppose if any person they might be facing the losses in one source of income. Actually, in the last video we discussed about the 5 important sources involved in the income. Okay, the first head of income is salary, and second it is a house property. Third source of income is either they are doing an individual person, they are involved in the business or profession, and sometimes they might be involved in the capital gain. That is also one of the sources. And the final one is income from other sources. So these are the main important 5 head of sources of income. So if any income or sources will be facing the losses, at the time automatically we can adjust with their income they are received in the same financial year. That is called the set of losses. Next we move to the types of set of losses. So under the types we are having a 2 category. One is intra-head and another one is inter-head set of losses. So some exemption, some losses we couldn't set off. So what are the losses in the sense is nothing but the speculative and non-speculative losses. Under the intra-head adjustment, so within the same head of income, we are automatically adjust the losses to the base against the income. That is called the intra-head adjustment. The same income level of the group, the have to adjust it. Then inter-head adjustment is nothing but within the particular other head of income. So suppose if any person they earn the salary, but they have to face some losses in the house property. So at that time they are supposed to adjust their house property losses, adjust with the salary who's earned in the particular year. So this is a concept only they have to follow under the set of losses. So intra-head adjustment, that particular losses will be fall under the section 70. Then inter-head adjustment, this is fall under section 71. Next, what are the examples we are supposed to follow in the day-to-day business transaction, in the sense the intra-head example, intra-head losses. Okay, already I told you that intra-head is nothing but they are supposed to adjust their losses in the same head of income. For example, suppose if any person they are doing business, that time they face the loss. So that particular loss will be set off against other business income. For example, we are taking the Reliance industry. They are doing they are concentrating on so many businesses. Okay. For example, they are taking the supermarket. So they have to earn more income, but unexpectedly they have to face some losses in their doing some Reliance trends. Okay. So that particular losses automatically we have to adjust with the business loss they have to make in the income they earned against the particular losses. Then inter-head example. So under the inter-head example we are taking the house property loss. Okay, this particular loss will be set off against the individual person's salary. That is the other heads of income we have to adjust. So this is the way only we have to adjust the losses of set off under the any year. Next, carry forward of losses. So unadjusted losses can be carried to future years. That particular losses can be carried forward for 8 assessment year. This is the general rule they have to follow. Okay. Then next we move to the carry forward of losses. It combined under the way you have to using in the inter-source and intra-source and carry forward of losses under the section 72.